Welcome to our channel. If you want to join Anytime Fitness and set up your membership, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit the Anytime Fitness website or download the Anytime Fitness app to find a gym location near you and learn about membership options. Step 2. Use the Club Finder to locate the nearest Anytime Fitness gym. Enter your address or zip code to see all available clubs in your area. Step 3. Consider that Anytime Fitness memberships are tied to your home club, but allow 24/7 access to all Anytime Fitness locations worldwide after 30 days. Step 4. Visit your chosen Anytime Fitness location in person to sign up. Each club is independently owned, so memberships are processed at the individual gym level. Step 5. Tour the facility with a staff member to see the equipment, amenities, and learn about any additional services like personal training or small group classes. Step 6. Meet with a membership consultant to discuss your fitness goals and choose the membership plan that works best for you. Ask about any current promotions or deals. Step 7. Review the membership agreement carefully, including monthly dues, any enrollment or key fob fees, contract length, and the cancellation policy. Step 8. Provide your personal information for the membership application, including name, address, date of birth, phone number, email, and emergency contact. Step 9. Set up your payment method for automatic monthly billing. Anytime Fitness typically requires payment via credit card or bank draft. Provide your payment details and authorize automatic withdrawals. Step 10. Sign the membership agreement and receive your key fob or access card. You can start using your home gym immediately, and after 30 days, you'll have access to all Anytime Fitness clubs globally. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.